Hi everyone, in this episode of D.O.W, I'll show you the best dashcam clips of 2025. If you like my channel, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's start. Write me in the comments which video was your favorite.
Yeah, especially when I signed the forms like that, like I think it's all beautiful. Whoa, whoa!
This guy. Hey, go quick.
That's why you got to have AMAC in your corner. I stand with AMAC. Stands for the Association of Mature Americans Discount Organization. They fight for common sense and will return to traditional American values. I mean, we'll get there if we vote for Republicans on November the 5th. Do you visit Gallagher for AMAC.com or just text the letters AMAC to 800-655-64. Exclusive election year special for my friends at AMAC. A 4-year AMAC membership that's just $30. As an AMAC member, you not only enjoy life-saving benefits, but also the AMAC magazine, free Social Security and Medicare advice, a trusted
What are you
voice in
doing?
Washington, and a community of like-minded patriots who love this nation. And what an offer, too. 4 years, $30. AMAC, the Association of
Look at that guy. He's driving on the shoulder. What a maniac. Whoa! What an idiot.
They can levy against the profession. The first is to take away the license. The second is to undergo this that means by the criteria of the so-called experts and the college. And that isn't pending an investigation. That's already in place.
Such a wild request.
It's
too.
really
Retraining,
Russian?
just even the way they phrase
Oh my
it.
God,
so
really?
bizarre, so Orwellian.
yeah, well, like
being a dude, the gas tundra. Yeah, recorded. So the city, I guess, like right next to you. Nice Toyota. Bro, what? This man literally, like, bro, you drive a Toyota. Probably just had a bad day at work.
Oh, hell no. This person is coming in my car. Oh.
Feet from standing. I hopped across them like river stones, barely making the last one. I ended up catching myself with spider climb and crawling up to the stone circle above.
We jumped away because there was no reason for me to do that. Duh. If I did, you would have pestered me about it every... Right? Could be.
Asshole.
Probably, I admitted. Whatever.
Turn left at the traffic light.
That's right. The first day. Now you can focus on your business. See for yourself.
Woo! Alright.
Look at there's a bicycle over there. No, like.
Hi, my car. Dude, he's gonna run into the wall. Wake up. Lock the video.
Current video locked.
Bro, an idiot. That's so embarrassing. He just has to drive off after that, too.